Be careful about trash cans and anything like that isn't stowed in garages or tied down, because there's going to be some blustery winds, and we're already seeing some of that. Storm Tracker 6 Live double scan shows you that for now there's a bit of a break in the rain. It's a little drizzly out there, and to the east of Philadelphia in particular there are a couple of sprinkles and showers. As we take a look outside, the camera is probably going to be shaking across most of the region today. It looks like this brand new Sky 6 camera, which is at a lower elevation, is locked down pretty good, but when we go up high on the tops of buildings, a lot of our cameras kind of bouncing around a bit because the winds are blustery. And you can see that even though there isn't a lot of active rain right now, overnight showers have made most of your roads on the wet side, and that'll slow you down a bit. Temperature currently 44 degrees, winds out of the east-northeast at 23 miles per hour, but we've got gusts in the mid-30s right now in Philadelphia, and a little stronger than that over by the coast. So look out for the wind. Also the rain, well, between now and noon, probably just some off and on sprinkles and showers, but as we get past noon into the afternoon, we are looking at some periods of heavy downpours today, and this will be windswept rain because the winds are still going to be strong, gusting up over 40 miles per hour across most of the region and perhaps 60 down the shore. That'll still be pretty windy this afternoon. The strongest winds probably tapering off after 4 o'clock, but by 6 o'clock still pretty windy and obviously pretty wet too. Also notice how it's mixed precipitation up in the Poconos. By 11 o'clock tonight, most of this is dying down to just sprinkles and showers. Still mixed precip up in the Poconos, and I do want to warn you that if you're driving up to the Poconos anytime after about 11 o'clock this morning, look out for some snow and maybe some freezing rain and sleet up there. That could continue overnight into early tomorrow morning. The rest of us, it's rain, and it looks like most of that rain is during the afternoon today. 44 degrees by 8, 42 by 10, 41 by noon. Fairly light, patchy precipitation in through here. Notice how the temperature does drop, and we're on or about 40 degrees for the rest of the afternoon into the evening, maybe sliding down to 39 degrees at times this afternoon. And again, that rain really starts to build in and get heavier through the afternoon and early evening, as you just saw. High temperatures today, all of them in the morning, right around now. 45 degrees in Philadelphia, 43 in Allentown. You can subtract about 4 or 5 degrees from these numbers to get where you're going to be during the afternoon. And then tomorrow morning, a couple of lingering sprinkles and showers, maybe a little lingering frozen precipitation up in the northern areas around Mount Pocono. But generally speaking, we're looking at drying during the morning, maybe a peak of sunshine later today, or later in the afternoon tomorrow, I should say. Your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day. Today's high 45 around now. We'll spend most of the afternoon closer to 40. And again, the winds pick up. They're already pretty blustery. Look out for debris on roads, and the heaviest rain through the afternoon and early evening. Then rain ending tomorrow with less wind, another high around 45. Boy, Wednesday is the day to live for, people. Lots of sunshine, a high of 53, really nice. Then 52 on Thursday with clouds increasing and maybe a sprinkle or shower in the northern and western suburbs late in the day. And we talked about this last week. There is a cool shot of air returning to the region, a high of just 43 on Friday. Perhaps a couple of showers around. And then Saturday and Sunday, we are back into the upper 30s, and I could see mid-30s for a high